Hey, I'm Raymond. I lead engineering here at Liquid, and today I want to show you one of my favorite features of our new coinvest product. So one of the harder parts about investing is managing all of the ongoing current events, news, market cycles, earnings reports, sentiments, and more. We live in a world with tons of data, more data than any one person can comprehend at any one time. But luckily, one thing that AI excels at is ingesting massive amounts of data and separating signals from noise. So we've harnessed this capability to provide a really great experience for you in coinvest that sets up a full portfolio for you based on your preferences and the aforementioned data. So let me show you how this works. To kick this off, it's as easy as asking Claude or your AI of choice to set up a portfolio for you. Once this process starts, coinvest is going to do a couple of things. First, it's going to check out what you already have going on in your portfolio and see if any adjustments need to be made. Next, it's going to ask you some questions about your investing preferences. So it's asking my risk tolerance, I'll say moderate. It's asking my time horizon, I'll say medium term, and then I'll say equities and commodities. Once you've sorted out these details, coinvest is going to do some research based on the market news, earnings schedules, market activity, and more to find the best investment opportunities within your time frame. So you can see here it's looking at monetary policy shifts, it's looking at oil catalysts, it's looking at earnings reports that are coming out this week, talking about gold, to hedge against uncertainty. Once it's done this research, it's going to suggest some trades. Once you're content with the trade setups that it suggested, you can go ahead and kick all of them off with one click. So let's see, it's suggesting a long on MRVL and COST, which have earnings coming up. It's suggesting a short on oil, which it thinks the price of oil is going to come down, and then it's suggesting a long on gold to sort of hedge away some of this uncertainty. This seems pretty reasonable to me, so I'm going to kick these off. One thing that's really nice here that coinvest is going to do is it's going to intelligently set take profits and stop losses for you based on the research it did. And what that's going to do is it's going to increase the probability of you locking in profit successfully and minimizes the risk of your open positions. So you can see all of the positions have now been filled and are present in my portfolio, which is super awesome. I've been using this tool for a couple weeks now, and not only has it been a big time saver when I'm trying to set up my portfolios, it also has led to some rewarding plays. So the other week, for example, I asked coinvest to set up a portfolio for me, and it opened up a leveraged position in Google. Later that day, Google and Anthropic announced that they were going to partner and share compute resources. This led to a big jump in Google's stock price, which was really exciting because it triggered my take profit and my position automatically locked in profit for me. This was really a cool feeling because I didn't have to do any of this research or place the position. AI was sort of smart enough to do the research for me, know it was a good play, and even set the right take profit so that I would automatically secure the profits. So I hope you guys try this feature out and have as much fun with it and success with it as I've been having. And yeah, let me know if there's any new features you want to see in a future version of coinvest.